Warden Enterprise and Uniview Tech would like to welcome you to Guard Station Software Training. In today's training, we will cover login, live views, creating custom views, playback, and saving a video. With that, let's get started. To log in, the first thing you're going to want to do is find the Guard Station app on your computer. Double click on the icon and the app will launch. The program should be set to auto log in. If it doesn't, leave the username as admin and type in the password warden, WARDEN 2@14 with the W capitalized. This should bring you to a live view screen. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and close this screen out because we need to log into the cloud portion of the system. To do that, go to the control panel and then go to Device Management. Under Device Management, click Cloud Device and then click Login. Again, this should already be set to auto log in for you, but if it's not, just enter your credentials that you created when you signed up for Guard Station and you can log in here. Once that's done, you can close out the device management screen. Now that we're logged in, we're ready to dive into live view. To do this, simply click on the live view button in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. This is going to pull up a screen that has 4 places for cameras, and it's going to have your devices listed on the left-hand side of the screen. To expand the device list so that you can see individual cameras, simply click on the plus button and it will expand. If you want to have more than 4 cameras in your view, you can click the button at the bottom of the screen and then select the number of cameras that you want to display. To add cameras to the screen, simply grab them and drag them into the area that you would like to see them. I'm going to go ahead and populate this with 9 cameras. Once you've done that, you can save this view by clicking the Save View button at the bottom of the screen. Click in the name box and give it a name. If you want to see a particular camera, you can double click on it and it will pull that camera up. If you notice, the video quality is kind of poor here. We do this so that it makes the streaming a little bit easier. If you right click on this and then go to stream type, you can select main, and then the video quality will be greatly enhanced. If you would like to zoom in on a particular area of the video, you can click on the magnifying glass down here in the left corner of the screen and then highlight an area to look at a little closer. The last thing that we want to cover today is video playback. To get to that, go back out to the control panel and then click on the playback button. Again, this is going to pull up the same screen that you're familiar with from the live view. The next thing you're going to want to do is come over to your device, expand it down to the camera that you want to look at, select that camera, and then this is where it's a little different. What you'll want to do is you're going to want to pick the date. So basically what you're going to be doing is searching for an event that might have happened. So here we're going to look at things that happened on May the 10th. And then when we do that, we're going to click search and it's going to pull that camera up, and it's going to pull up the information from that day. Once the video is loaded, you're going to notice down here at the bottom of the screen, you're going to see these little red areas here, and anywhere you see that is somewhere that there's going to be motion detected by the camera. Over on the right hand side of the screen, you're also going to see a list of those same events that are listed out by time, so you can actually find them relatively quickly over here in this list, as long as you know about what time the event took place. Okay. Once you do that, what you can do is you can start a video clip. So in this particular instance, we're going to come back here to start a clip. What you're going to do is go back to the beginning of that particular event. Click play. So to take a video clip, you're going to go to the event, and you see this person's walking down the hallway. You're going to click this little button here on the bottom, which is the snip button, and that's going to start the snip or the clip of video that you want to look at. And then whenever you want to stop, you're going to click that button, that same button again, and then it's going to pull up this little menu here, which will then let you download your clip. And you can see the download is taking place. Once the video has downloaded, you can close out of this screen and then click on the clipboard at the bottom. And then it's going to bring up a task management pane where you can click on the completed one. And then you can open the folder to view your file. Before we go, we would like to thank you for your business and invite you to call sales or support if you need anything at all. You can reach us at 336-849-8034, or you can email us at info@wardenenterprise.com.